Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of organizing my fidget. Okay, I got my squishies in one pile, these in one pile, sensory fidgets in one pile, and poppets in one pile. We still got that many to go. We better get to work. As you can see, I just took a shower. So, yeah. I'm all wet, see? I'm all wet, see? If you can tell. My hair is like wet because of the shininess. It's all wet. Just got started in the shower soon. Good night. Okay. What's happening? So here we go. Snappers. Goes. Oh, another puppet. So butterfly. Whee! So. Come to the other side. Yeah. Puppet pile. Crazy. And my mom, they were giving me ice cream. Cream, to be exact. Ice cream is so good. This puppet. Ooh, monkey noodles. Whoa. Yeah, a pink one. What's this? New things. I got a fancy mustache. That's gonna be in the other sensory pile. I need. Oh, a puppet. Nah. Okay, here it is. Yay, the puppet fidget center. Do you think I was just a normal puppet? Nope, you got wrong. Normal puppet. Look like this. This is a fidget spinner puppet. Spinner? Normal. Spinner? Spinner. It's the best fidget toy to bring up if you're going on an airplane. Here's the puppet. I'm sorry about that. This is another Infinity Cube. This is heavy. It's the heavier one. As you guys know, it's probably young. Avery, you have two of the exact same ones. If you look closely, this one has bigger ones than that. This one is smaller. And this one's heavier. This one's lighter. This is like, I do not know what I just did. I am so dumb. Yeah, I know I am. Oh, why? I'm probably gonna. Well. You guys subscribe if you think I am, and like the video if you don't think I am. Okay, I got an octopus puppet. Now she's happy. Then I turn around. Now I'm this. I'm this one. Here's that one. Happy puppet pile. Oh, this is a homemade. I made. Is this? What I do is I took like the squishy stuff. And then I painted a flower on top. I'm pretty sure I cut that out by myself. I had another one, but I changed squishy pile. And another puppet, a mini puppet. Very pretty. Puppet pile. And then I finished the thing. I got 6 more bins to go. Okay. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to go to my ice cream. Okay, I'm back. I got my ice cream. See? I do got ice cream. See? Okay. Next bin. Yeah. Garbage. I'm just gonna tell you guys this. I've been with a lot of emojis. So I got this things. You take this, you write something on it, then you erase it. It's a keychain one. My brother's. Okay, here's another one of my newest fidgets. Mom! Mom! You got hair in my ice cream! What? You got hair in my ice cream! My hair? Yeah! Sorry. That's not funny! That's disgusting, actually. Good. Like a big clump of it? No, one strand. Maybe it's your hair. No, it's long. There goes my squishies. Oh my god, here's I don't even know what this is. But look at that. The bunny unicorn has bunny ears but a unicorn horn. Okay. Then I call. Oh my god. I named him Yoshi. Oh my god. This is for Camp Cooker I got. Here's a VIP pass for restaurant. And here's a Costco membership card. Somebody popped this. Somebody popped it. My popper. Yeah, I just do that. Probably you guys are wondering, what is that? It's not ice cream. Thank you very much. Okay. Got my puzzle ball. It's going in a sensory. This is squishy mochi panda. I'm trying to go through fast because this is a 9-minute song. That. There's a sheep. One. If you have anything going off like that, that just means I'm getting my ice cream. Mini Rubik's Cube. There. Gonna be sensory all the way. Look at that. Wait, just watch this. Definitely a sensory all the way. Seeing pop like that, I just get excited about it. Thing that's like that makes me freeze. Okay. I can move my eyes when I freeze it, but I can't talk or move. I'm just really acting up right now. That's three. That goes in. Hope it stops acting up. Oh my god. You eat squishy eyeball. Squishy. Oh my god, it's a unicorn. And another giant unicorn. Whee! Oh my god. I should go in the back right there. You know, this is going in the back too. A glittery Pokemon. Hi. No. I've been asking, can't you hold in my strange weird thing? I can for sometimes. Certain times if I really got, but it's not like that, I can have it stop. But when I use my strength, I get really tired. Yes, I've never do it. It's a bunny mochi. Oh. Here's that. I remember I even pass out doing that. I never do. Ooh. Yeah, save that. Potato. Mom! What? Can you come here? 1 second. I gotta show you something that I found. Oh, nice. A little sensory. That's really sensory.
Rip the poop bag apart like a stupid dog.
Grogu. Remember.
Bad. Very bad. That's disgusting. That's poop.
That is disgusting.
Okay, you need to read pretty soon too.
I might finish this video tomorrow.
What are you trying to do?
Just come here. Go right home.
More? You don't need more.
That's the big ones. That's my mom. Say hi. No, say hi.
I don't want to be on tape.
Rogie, come here. No. Look at this monster. Okay. Leave! Leave! Mom! Get this dog out of my playroom. I'll tell you my dad last night better in the shower. That's what happened too. You just flew this way. Okay, Rogue. Get out, dog. Did you see her? Mom! Rogue's not leaving! Rogue! Leave! Yeah, my friend is annoying. Okay, next thing is Rogie Freeman. Can leave! Slime. Sorry. Oh, mini monkey noodle. A squishy. I'm going to a funeral. The married. Lift it up. Lift it up. Backed it up. Oh, yay. Yay, I'm climbing up here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, I got it. Okay, what does it say? I am a finger puppet. Bloop, bloop, bloop. That's right, because my finger's in here. Bloop, bloop. Stickers and slime 2 mystery. Oh my god! Okay. Okay. I can just say something fast to you. Yep. I'm done. You're done. No. You're done. Something else like, yeah, another two. Party, it's a party. Kind of getting bored. Are you? Yes. 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 Pushy. Bin. Done. I'm gonna start pushing stuff in the bin. Top one is gonna be sensory. Fidget. Okay. All of the sensory is that I can fit in here. No, you did. Yeah. Slide back in. Okay, first spin completed. If you can see, I'm There it is. Perfect. Sorry, Ben. Don't mind me. Okay. Okay, my assignment is poppins. Grayson? I'm in here. She's outside. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Here's 7 puppets. Okay. Third bin is gonna be squishies. Have you heard the song? Oh, hi. Oh, I'm just gonna sing for you. You guys, comment down below if I should be in America's Got Talent for my singing voice. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right here when I need her. Yeah, comment down below. I should be in America's Got Talent. Yay. My singing. Yay. I get a bunch of likes and subscribe that I should be in it. That, sign up. Okay, that bin's done. Perfect. Okay, I'll fix that right now. Oh my god, I wish. Okay. Now we're on to the next bin. So going after the green. I'm just going to go 2 bins to go fast. Oh, water timer. Sometimes it doesn't work. So also it can be a sensory. Oh my god. This is the homemade Play-Doh. I made this myself. Homemade Play-Doh. Don't say anything about it. I like my Play-Doh. It's mine. Sensory. Oh, it's so squishy. Squishy. Sensory all the way. Ooh, okay. Today. Okay, right here. I got the puppet game. What?
I saw a cop
Where?
outside.
No,
Inside, I saw a cop.
Mom up there?
No.
Come on, show me.
Right here. Back here. They had a white car. And I saw a cop.
My video with me? Okay. My brother just said that she saw it. This is like a burger squishy. What?
Mommy,
Amber, you got
I know. I'm just gonna finish this one bin. Hey, let me finish this bin. Okay, then I got this. Yeah, that's. Gotta hurry up and finish this bin. I got this computer key. Got this kind of bendy, squishy eraser that can come apart. And then this.
Oh, my baby monkey.
Okay. I'm gonna put some stuff in here.
Triple in your bed. Avery, hurry up and shut that
I'm coming right now. Okay.
off.
I'm putting just some stuff in here. Okay, there. Just gonna. Okay. Hey, bye guys. I'll make part 3 and part 4 tomorrow. So, bye. Bye.